Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best thermal carafe coffee maker. So let's get started. Number 7. OXO Brew 8-Cup Coffee Maker. The OXO Brew 8-Cup not only has a thermal carafe designed to keep coffee hot for several hours, it's also one of the few coffee makers certified by the Specialty Coffee Association's Golden Cup standard. This means the coffee maker brews at the ideal temperature, between 195 and 205 degrees, and can make the whole pot within 4 to 6 minutes. Other key features include its compact design, separate lids for the filter basket and water reservoir, and single-serve capabilities. It's rare to find a drip coffee maker that can make one quick cup as delicious as a full pot. Customers generally give the item positive reviews for its flavor, ease of use, and heat retention. Number 6. BLACK+DECKER Thermal. Your basic thermal carafe coffee maker should be able to hold coffee at the optimal temperature for a long time. BLACK+DECKER's 12-cup thermal coffee maker takes on the task with its large capacity, double-walled, vacuum-sealed carafe. After testing the product, our reviewer said the thermal carafe sufficiently keeps coffee warm for several hours. We made coffee around 9:30 a.m., and by 1:30 p.m. it was still quite hot, she wrote, so you can say goodbye to microwaving your coffee an hour after it was made. The item does not have a built-in heating element, however, which is somewhat of a downside as that could keep the coffee even hotter. Number 5. Capresso CoffeeTeam 10-Cup. The Capresso CoffeeTeam 10-Cup digital coffee maker has a reputation on the market for being a noiseless force to be reckoned with, even with its grinding ability. If you're a coffee bean connoisseur, then you will appreciate the slow grinding of the burr, which protects your coffee's aroma, while allowing a finer, uniform grind compared to that of a standard blade grinder. Plus, the 5 fineness settings gives you full control of your coffee experience. The 10-cup thermal carafe keeps your coffee warm throughout the day to cut down on waste. You can brew the maximum amount of coffee in just under 10 minutes. Number 4. Keurig K-Duo Plus Coffee Maker. Single-serve coffee makers don't have much need for thermal carafes, since they brew directly into your coffee mug. But the Keurig K-Duo Plus is one of the rare coffee makers designed to brew a single cup as well as a full carafe. When you want a full pot of coffee, you can use ground coffee and select sizes ranging anywhere from 6 to 12 cups. When you're in the mood for one quick cup of joe, simply pop in a K-cup and select a size from 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces. The K-Duo Plus is programmable up to 24 hours, which is standard for most thermal coffee makers, but quite unique for a Keurig device. Number 3. Mr. Coffee 10-Cup Coffee Maker. A major convenience for our daily appliances is when they have self-cleaning mechanisms, which makes caring for them simple. With Mr. Coffee's 10-Cup Coffee Maker, you can clean your device with the simple push of a button. It doesn't get any better than that. And this is not a widespread function on other coffee makers, especially those featuring stainless steel thermal carafes. Other functions include a dim display button, the ability to delay brewing, and the presetting of timed coffee. You can also choose your brew strength per session, as well as pause your brewing process to sneak in a fresh cup of coffee. The double-walled thermal carafe lets you enjoy fresh coffee throughout the day from a single batch. Number 2. Frieling USA Double-Walled. From French presses to pour-overs and more, many non-electric coffee makers are designed from thermal material to retain heat longer. And the Frieling stainless steel French press will keep your coffee piping hot for hours, which is far longer than what a glass press can accomplish. In fact, our product tester compared the item to 2 glass French presses and said the Frieling model is great at insulation and keeping contents warm. One quick tip: rinse the press with hot water beforehand, and it will keep its heat even longer. While the Frieling French press is certainly expensive, it's also extremely durable, so it may save money in the long run as glass presses all too often chip or shatter. Number 1. Cuisinart Stainless Steel Thermal. You can finally have full control over your coffee experience in your home. The Cuisinart DCC 3400 thermal coffee maker uses a unique internal heating system to provide you with 3 different brew temperatures: regular, hot, and extra hot. The Extreme Brew option uses new re-engineered brewing technology to make your coffee 25% faster than the standard coffee maker without skimping on taste and flavor. Our product tester reviewed this machine and complimented its heat retention, saying that the coffee was consistently piping hot. One aspect to watch out for, however, is that the carafe is heavy and somewhat cumbersome. Thermal carafes are naturally heavier than glass ones, so keep that in mind before purchasing.